Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to contact Fundbox customer service. Now, if you're encountering issues with your account, draws, repayments, or integration tools, reaching out to Fundbox customer support is simple. Here's a clear guide on how to get help when you need it. First option is to use the in-app support feature. The fastest way to get support is through the Fundbox dashboard. Log into your Fundbox account and then click the question mark icon or the help tab in the lower right corner. Choose from common help topics. You have a live chat if it's available, of course. You also have the option to submit a request. This method ensures your inquiry is tied to your account, which of course is going to help you to speed up its resolution. Option 2 is email support. If you're unable to log in or prefer email, then you can send a message to support@fundbox.com. You're going to need to include your registered business name, the email address linked to your account, a clear description of the issue, as well as any screenshots or relevant files. Avoid sharing sensitive financial information like full bank account numbers in your email. Option 3 is to check the Help Center. Fundbox maintains a searchable help center with solutions for many common issues. Just visit fundbox.com/help. Browse topics by categories, that is, you have repayments, account settings, integrations, etc. Use keywords like synchronizing error, repayment date, or bank connections for much better results. The fourth option is to call Fundbox. Phone support may be available to select customers, especially those with active credit lines. Now, if eligible, the support phone number will appear in your Fundbox dashboard under the Contact Us. Fundbox doesn't publicly list a general phone number to avoid spam. Always log in first to access direct call-in option. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.